Today I'm making oops, what am I saying again? Oh yeah, puff pasta. Today I'm making puff pasta. Today I'm making puff pasta. No, I don't. I don't. I know that. Pasta. Let's start. Broccoli, cauliflower. Let's go. I have something that looks like this. Here are half of pastry. I'm going to cut it to size. I've been seasoning this with garlic powder, pepper, and salt. Let's get started. Hot pan. Roll both in. Now I am going to make button. Doing same for the other. Ready to bake in the oven. It's taking time. Now let's cut this baby. That's what your puff pastry would look like. Smells good. I wonder what it will taste like. No, I know.